Hello everyone. For today's topic, we are going to discuss about composite and inverse function. Before we jump into our main question of the day, let's have some recap on this topic. So let's say a fx equals to 7x plus 2. So the question demands us to find f(x). So to keep it simple, let's just say that we just substitute x's place with fx. So it becomes 7fx plus 2. Okay, then we should just substitute the value of fx into the expression. Okay, and then it will becomes 7x plus 2 plus 2. And then we just should simplify the expression, and then it becomes 49x plus 14 plus 2, and then it becomes 49x plus 16, and that should be your final answer. For the next part, let's find f inverse x for the function given. So the first step, we should let f inverse x equals to y, and then fy should equals to x. So it becomes 7y plus 2 equals to x. The main idea here is we need to move everything except for y into the right hand side. So 7y equals to x minus 2, and y equals to x minus 2 over 7. And we should let our final answer as f inverse x equals to x minus 2 over 7. Now let's jump into our main question of the day. Given fx equals to x minus 1 over x plus 2, whereas x is not equal to negative 2. So in question A, they demand us to find f(x). So our first step is we should substitute fx into our new function. So it becomes fx minus 1 over fx plus 2. So our first step is we should substitute the given function into our newly created function. So it becomes x minus 1 over x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 2 plus 2. Now let's move the numerator x plus 2 to the top. Then it becomes x minus 1 minus 1 times x plus 2 over x plus 2 divided with x minus 1 plus 2 times x plus 2 over x plus 2. And now we should move to our second step, which is simplify. Then it should becomes x minus 1 minus x minus 2 over x plus 2 divided with x minus 1 plus 2x plus 4 over x plus 2. And now, as we know, when we divide a fraction, we should change the operation from division into multiplication. So if it becomes negative 3 over x plus 2 times, and we should change the position as well, so it becomes times x plus 2 over 3x plus minus 3. So now let's cross out x plus 2, so it becomes negative 3 over 3x minus 3. So now let's move on to our third step, which is factorize. So let's factorize this out 3. So our final answer should be negative 1 over x minus 1. Then that should be your final answer. Now let's move on to question B. So the question asks us to find the f inverse of x. So we should let f inverse x equals to y, and fy should be equals to x. So we should substitute the given function to our newly created function. So it becomes y minus 1 over y plus 2 equals to x. So now let us move y plus 2 to the top. So it becomes y minus 1 equals to x times y plus 2. So we should expand and simplify the equation. So the equation will becomes y minus 1 equals to xy plus 2x. Bear in mind that we should let y in the left hand side and x in the right hand side. So it becomes y minus xy equals to 2x plus 1. So now let's factorize out y. So we should let the left hand side with a single y. So it should be y times 1 minus x equals to 2x plus 1. Now let's move y minus x to the bottom, so it becomes y minus 2x plus 1 over 1 minus x. So our final answer should be f inverse x equals to 2x plus 1 over 1 minus x. And that should be our final answer.